Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say this word in French. This is French for birds. So the plural of the word bird, as in a bird, the animal. So you can tell it's plural because it's got an X at the end. If it was singular, it would just be EAU at the end. So how do you say birds in French? We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary and useful stuff too, so make sure to stay tuned. So this is said in France as oiseau, oiseau. So there is an X at the end, but it is silent. It's just to mark the plural when you write it, but it's useless in terms of pronunciation. So let's walk you through how you pronounce this. O-I in French is pronounced wa, O-A. Essentially the sound O and then the sound A, wa. And then S here, because there's only one S, is pronounced like a Z, Z sound. EAU comes down to the sound O in French. So oiseau, oiseau is French for birds, oiseau. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting and useful French words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.